Hi, everybody. My name is Zhe Zhang. So I'm the founder and CEO of Trifo. So today I'll give a presentation of modern SoCs for consumer electronics and IoT, AIoT. For robotics kind of architect, we have I kind of listed in this multi-layer because hardware is the robust. It's either arm or wheel or the body, eyes, brain, chassis, right? And then this comes with this. On top of that is the runtime. It is a real-time OS or not? Is that low latency? Smart dynamic resource allocation, right? Does it have deep optimization? It's really important to think from the application scenario and then to decide, what is the requirement for your runtime and then what is the requirement for the AI chip, right? For the SoC. And then we have, I call it edge AI and cloud AI, which means edge AI is more about edge computing power for the processor. The 3D geometry, scene understanding, decision making, all these, the meat, right? The algorithms in this edge AI layer. And then when we, do the training or do the user management, all these, we have this cloud edge, computing and interaction. So it depends on really what your product and software stack really needs, right? And then we will have this extension communication, which kind of as a add-on or as an ecosystem to extension, right? To extend, right? So that's why I listed all these robotics kind of elements we have. We need to have extension, decision making, great sensing, and more important. I think we are still in the very early stage of robot-human interaction, right? Communication, right? And communication with people and communication with other AIoT devices, and then connection and movement, of course. Yeah.